Pretty much the same because I was trying to stick to my strategy, just try to hit most fairways because it's super tight in this golf course. My goal was actually just 5 under each day. Like I said, capitalize on the par fives, sneak another birdie in, probably one of the par fours or par threes. I think I just have to stick to my own game and not mind the others. Try to sink more putts, hit more fairways. Hopefully it goes my way and we'll see by the end of the week.
Ang difference ngayon kaysa kahapon, kahapon kasi maganda yung palo ko. Ayun, medyo malikot. Maganda ang green, tapos yung birdie ko, ano bang birdie ko? 10, 14, 6, 8, tapos 18. Yung kailangan bukas, kailangan condition yung katawan, maaga matulog para maganda ang palo. Kalamang malakas dito.
Laro ko kanina, kumpara kahapon, putting ko hindi maganda. Ngayon, nabawi ko na. Mas may isang 3 putts pero okay lang. Mas maganda yung putting ko ngayon kumpara kahapon. Tapos yung sa hole number 5, naigil ako doon yung drive ko fairway tapos 143 yards to the pin. Tapos pinalo ko lang ang pitching wedge. Bumagsak sa green tapos pumasok. Birdie ko yung hole number 6. So nabawi na ko ng bogey sa hole number 4. Factor para manalo dito, kailangan maganda lang yung putting ko. May chance ng manalo.